All right, you guys all lined up, happy. This is your main stock short course. Everybody go on the tone. Stock buggy A, you are up in less than 5. Damn. About a minute done. It's Mike, Wesley, Kevin. Mike in the orange and black going over the rhythm section. Wesley, black with baby blue coming down the back stretch. And Devin is the white front, black back. Man, half down at Wesley, Mike, Devin, Wesley, black with blue. Devin is the broke down one. Mike Fuller is orange with black, upside down, I think, on the front stretch, or on the back stretch. 3 minutes left, 3 minutes left. Wesley, Devin, Mike, 3 minutes. Stock buggy, you got 3 minutes. We have plenty of marshals for this one, so there shouldn't be volunteers. All right, you got Mike, Wesley, Josh, Mike, orange and black. Starting the ribbon section now. Wesley, black with blue. Starting ribbon section, and Josh is bright orange. Starting the back stretch now. Three minutes left. Mike, Josh, Wesley. Josh is coming up in second now. Wesley right behind him. Mike going to come up on lap trap. Watch triple. All right. Interesting. All right. Mike Fuller is the leader now. 30 points. Mike Fuller, orange and black, getting ready to go on the back straight. Josh Fenton, the bright orange on the back straight. Devin, I thought both, but he's white front, black back. Just got taken out in the corner. We got 4 on the lead lap right now. 4 on the lead lap. Mike, Josh, Devin, Wesley. Less than a minute left. Race 4, stock buggy. Less than a minute. Thirty seconds left. Mike, Josh, Devin. 17-2, 18-3, 17-0. 10 seconds. Mike, Josh, Devin. Mike coming over the triple. Josh coming up over the triple on the bright orange. And Devin is going on the triple now. That is clock. Everybody keep going. Leslie's done. When you cross, you'll be done. Mike's done. Des is done. Josh is done. Nathan's done. Trent. Mitchell's done. Brian's done. Gunther's done. Everybody is done. Dog Buggy, you are up.